You are a loser. You can't do it. Your English is very poor. You will never speak English. People say this to me every single day. And you know what? One day I started believing them. But then I ask myself, why? Why can't I speak English? Is English only for rich students? Is English only for intelligent people? No. English is just a language. Then why I am scared? Why are you scared? Listen, I am not weak. You are not weak. We just didn't get practice. That's it. When a child learns Bengali, does he know grammar? No. He just listens. He speaks, he makes mistakes, and slowly he learns. So why we are afraid of English? We think, oh, my grammar is bad. Oh, people will laugh at me. Oh, my pronunciation is wrong. But tell me something, if you never speak, how will you improve? Silence will never teach you. Only speaking will teach you. Before, I was very shy. In class, if the teacher asked me to speak English, my heart started beating fast. My hands were shaking. I felt very weak. But today, I am speaking in front of you. Do you know why? Because I stopped caring about people. If you fail, they lag. If you try, they lag. If you succeed, they still talk. So why worry? Start speaking for yourself, not for them. English can change your life. You can get better jobs. You can prepare it for big exams like UPSC. You know, you can travel. You can talk to the world. English gives you confidence, and confidence change everything. So from today, don't say my English is bad. Say my English is improving. Don't say I can't speak. Say I am learning. Because learning never stops. Remember one thing, nobody is born fluent. Everyone starts from zero. So start today. Speak broken English, speak wrong English, but speak. But speak. One day, the some people who called you loser will say, "Wow, your English is amazing." And that day you will smile because you didn't give up. So, everyone, uh, never giving up. You can do it. Thank you for watching. If you also want to learn English with me, subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together.